Hello, my fellow wizards and alchemists. Let's talk a little bit today about our gut health and how you can very quickly change your gut health to the highest percentage possible of well-being, wellness. Now, our gut health is, of course, our digestive tract, but it also regulates our moods, our physical energy. Poor gut health can lead to depression and sadness and sorrow and not being able to do anything. There's so many reasons. Of course, your digestion of your food and the absorption of the nutrients is so important as well. And it's so easy just to boost it up for yourself. So I'm going to show you through dowsing how I measure my gut health, and then how to very simply, quickly boost it to a nice high level to help you feel better today and every day. And you may need to do this once a day, but it's a very quick procedure. It depends on the condition of your gut health. I expect if it's in a really bad place, you're going to have to do it more often, right? And another cool thing is our gut, of course, is in our torso, and third chakra issues can affect our gut health. Now, the third chakra is about empowerment and control and things like that. So you think about all the sayings for your particular culture regarding the gut. Like in my culture, something terrible happens you didn't expect. You got punched in the gut, or someone just really gave you a good tongue lashing or just yelled at you and scolded you or something like that. You could say, they tore my guts out, right? There's so many things about our guts, and our guts are very important to maintaining good health. So I will show you what I do here. I do muscle testing, which is a form of dowsing, and I programmed it in years ago. I ask a question and I just bring my hands together, and this is a yes answer and this is a no answer when my hands go to my palms. And I don't know how to explain it to you other than I ask the question and I focus on the question. I don't care what the answer is. I can't care because that could screw up the correct answer. And my hand just sort of boom. It just moves. It's mystical, magical, and a little freaky at times, but I've gotten used to it. It's just the energy moving, right? So let's just check here. Dowsing source. Do you know what part of my body I refer to as my gut? I just heard digestive tract, yes. And do you know what gut health is? Are you aware, dowsing source, that the gut just pretty much has a lot to do influencing our physical health, mental health, emotional health, and possibly our spiritual health? Yes. Okay, in my human form, my gut health on a scale of 0 to 10, 0 being zero gut health and 10 being maximum gut health. My gut health for my human form is at level 0. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, that's pretty good. You can douse or not, and you do this clearing with me, and even if your gut health is at level 10, which I highly doubt because pretty much no one's would be, you're not going to hurt anything by doing the clearing and the instilling of the positive emotions and energies by following along with me. So all I do is this. I clear my governing vessel meridian, just crumbling away any blocks to my gut health now via my governing vessel meridian, which sends energy all over the body, right? And the female meridian, the major meridian, the conception vessel, it's right here. And since that comes up the front, we might want to work on that as well. You could do them both if you want. I recharge, rebalance, realign my gut health to 100% effectiveness and functionality now, releasing all fears from any time in my life that I still might have stored in there, including fears of failure, fears of not being safe, fears the bad times will never end, fears of rejection, fears of abandonment, releasing fears that with success comes consequences, comes more work, more people wanting you to do more things, The more you do for some people, the more they want to take from you, right? Including employers. Volunteer work. Oh, definitely that. Oh, I'm just letting all this go now. Oh, and so it is. Now, I'm going to spin into my gut some good vibes, some good energies, and I'm going to use this pendulum. Now, as you've seen in the past, perhaps, unless you're new to my channel, spinning to the left with the pendulum, or you can just flatten out your hand like this, right? Spinning to the left clears whatever you want to correct in your energy or rebalance, and spinning to the right instills it. So let us now, and you can keep going like this or this or this, whatever you want to do. Right now, let's spin in to my gut health and to your gut health. The highest, most beneficial frequencies, the vibrations of extreme well-being, the vibrations of joy and peace and love, the vibrations of being in balance, the highest vibrations, the highest energies, the most beneficial energies right now. Oh, woo! I hope you felt something like that too. That's pretty much all you got to do to boost your gut health. Again, every day would probably be very beneficial. You could do it when you're driving into work or commuting or whatever, or when you get up in the morning, or when you're like me, doing that, what's that they say in Scotland? Herkle-durkling. You're laying in bed, herkle-durkling with your covers up. I don't want to get up. You could do a quick little gut recharge. I don't want to get up, but I now recharge, rebalance, realign my gut health to 100% effectiveness and functionality. Maximum level 10 of 10. Even in the front, the conception vessel meridian now nourishes my gut health. The governing vessel meridian now nourishes my gut health, and so it is. All right, quick check. The level of human Colleen's body's gut health now is at level 0. Level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There you go. See how easy it is? No one has to suffer. And sometimes when our emotions are so strong or our body is out of balance so seriously, of course, always see your doctor for that. But sometimes just doing this kind of work can help it heal itself on its own, or will supplement your doctor's care. It's so simple, and it's beneficial for all of you. And when we radiate health and well-being out, then it uplifts others as well. And that's part of the reason why we're all here, right? Like Ram Dass said, we're all just walking each other home. And he meant home to the ascension, the enlightenment, the other side, heaven, whatever you want to call it. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much. You have no idea, and I love your comments. They just make me giggle and laugh, and you make me feel more motivated to make more videos to help more people around the world. So please spread the word. Thank you so much for watching. Namaste. Peace out. Get 10 free chapters of my Fearless Accurate Dowsing book on my website, emorescue.com. There's also links to all my Amazon books and other interesting information. Thank you.